Welcome. If you've ever wanted to save your Facebook page cover photo directly from your PC, you're in the right place. With Facebook's latest update, the process has changed a little. But don't worry. I'll walk you through each step so you can save your favorite cover photos with ease. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look towards the top of the page and click on your profile photo. This will take you to your personal profile. Now, if you manage a Facebook page, you'll see a list of the pages you manage. Click on the page where you want to save the cover photo. Once you're on your page, take a look at the top, right where your cover photo is displayed. Hover your mouse over the cover photo and give it a click. This will open the cover photo in a larger view, making it easier to see all your options. Just below the photo, you'll notice 3 dots lined up horizontally. Click on these 3 dots to open a small menu. From the menu, choose the option that says Save Post. This feature is part of Facebook's new update and makes it super easy to organize and revisit posts you care about. After clicking Save Post, you'll be prompted to choose a collection. Collections are like folders where you can organize your saved posts for easy access later. Pick a collection that makes sense for you, or create a new one if you'd like. Once you've selected the collection, click Done. That's it. Your page cover photo is now saved and can be found anytime you want by going to your saved items. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to save your Facebook page cover photo using the new update on PC. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.